Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and if you don't know me, my name is Miss Bean Pinky and I live in Australia. So in today's video I am doing this very soft, subtle and glamorous kind of festive season makeup look, and I just love the way this look has came out, and the colors, I totally love it, and it's literally so beautiful. I am loving the outcome of this look, and literally it's just so gorgeous. And yeah, I hope you will like it too. So without further ado, let's begin with today's tutorial. And yeah, first I am using this Versalis Unicorn Essence Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum, and this is a must for me. I just love this serum and I use it like for every day. Whenever I wear makeup, I apply this under my makeup. And first I am making my brows here, and I am using this model called Instant Brows pencil. This eyebrow pencil is just literally so good that you, after applying, you don't need to like set your eyebrows with a gel. The hair sticks and it stays in place. And I am also loving the brush which comes with the applicator. And now I am using this Australia's concealer, their brow lift highlighter and concealer duo, and I am applying, as you can see here. Then I am blending this with BH Cosmetics 102 concealer blending brush, and spraying some setting spray on my Morphe blender and applying this 310 foundation by Fenty Beauty. And literally I am in love with this foundation, and like literally it's an amazing foundation. It sets so well and like it lasts all day until I take off my makeup, so it's non-creasy and I just love it so much. And now I am applying this Photo Focus concealer and corrector by Wet n Wild, and it's a cruelty free product, and this one is in shade light to medium beige. And I am just spraying more on the same blender, and then I am blending all the concealer, as you can see in here. And like spraying the setting spray on the blender helps to blend the makeup very well, and it also like sets the makeup at the same time, and it looks very flawless. This is how my makeup stays all day, just because of that setting spray. I just love it. And then I am using this Revolution Press powder. It's a good powder, but yeah, I think I should have used with a powder brush, not this puff which comes with this powder. I have used this like sponge kind of thing which came with this powder. I don't like it, but like it's a bit patchy when you apply with this applicator, but I think using with a powder brush will blend it so well. And then I am using this Sun Shimmer bronzer for Sunkissed, I think, no, Sunstar. And I just love this bronzer. This is my favorite, and the brush I am using is by Morphe. They are like bronzer brush or contour brush, and I am like blending all, like bronzing all over my face in a way that it looks well blended and connected together. And I am applying some on my neck, and then I am using this brush by Morphe, their blending brush, I think small, and bronzing my nose. And here I am using this Morphe's 9B palette, and the blush I am using, as you can see in this picture, and it's a kind of purplish kind of shade. But yeah, I just love this brush. And this highlighter drop is by Appeal Cosmetic. I literally can't describe how beautiful this highlighter drop is. I got it in my Bellabox. I have showed you guys, I think last month or this month. Oh my gosh, literally it's such a gorgeous highlighter drop. I just love it. It's in shade bronze. I think, yeah, it's in shade bronze, and I am applying on the high point of my face, as you can see here. Then I am applying on top of that this blissful from this Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. I am in love with this palette. This is my favorite highlighter palette by Ofra Cosmetic. I just love it, and the brush I am using is by BH Cosmetic. They are highlighter brush, I think, yeah. And I am now setting all this up with this Wet n Wild natural finish setting spray, and yeah, so I am dabbing with my finger here so that my makeup looks very flawless. And then here I am taking this 35C palette by Morphe and taking this shade, and I am applying with this 228 Luxie Crease brush by Zoeva, and I am just applying this shade and blending it on the crease, as you guys can see here. And this brush is very soft and it blends up the eyeshadows really well, and I am in love with this brush. And here I am taking this blending brush E36 by Sigma and taking this green shade and applying it, as you can see here. And this brush is really very small, and it blends and applies the product very well, and like you can't make mistake with this brush. It's literally an amazing blending brush, and I just love it. I think using small brush with blending this kind of makeup literally helps well, and you don't have to be an expert to blend this product. And now I am taking the same highlighter with this inner corner brush, like it's a shader brush, and I am applying this highlighter on the lid, as you can see here. And this highlighter, you can use any glitter or anything on top of this, but I wanted to keep this look very simple, and I am applying this highlighter just because I am in love with this highlighter. You can use any white eyeshadows here, but like my outfit is white. If you want to see like full outfit, I will be posting pictures on Instagram and also on my Facebook page. Do check it out, and the links will be below. And also I am highlighting with the same brush the inner corner, and taking that same green shadow with the same brush, I am applying it like I am blending the colors together. And here I am taking this Mellow Cosmetics pen eyeliner, and this is in shade black, and this is a Precious eyeliner, pen eyeliner, and I am just creating a small wing, as you can see here. And like this eyeliner pen is literally so good, and I think I got it in my Bellabox. Most of the products I get in my Bellabox, and I love to try then buy. And here I am applying this Maybelline's big eyeliner pencil. It comes with like one side black and one side white, and I am applying it in my waterline, and also I am blending it off with the same green shadow. And I am using this pencil brush by BH Cosmetic. They are 105 pencil brush, and I just love these eyelashes. It's like by Model Rock Lashes, and it's literally so gorgeous. And here I am using this Skinny Mascara by Wet n Wild. I just love this applicator. It's such a nice applicator brush, I would say, and I think it's best for applying lower lashes mascara. And here I am using this like applying the same, I am using and also applying this same model rock lashes, and the glue I'm using here is the duo glue I've showed you guys earlier. And this eyelashes is such a simple, gorgeous eyelashes. I love it so much. And here I am using this lip liner by Wet n Wild, and it is 664C Fab Fuchsia. I can't pronounce it, but yeah, it's by Wet n Wild, and the lipstick I am using is by Wet n Wild too. They are E924B Rebel Rose, and oh my gosh, I just love the combination of this lip liner and the lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick and it's so gorgeous. I like, this is one of my favorite lipsticks by Wet n Wild, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, I will catch you guys later in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your families and friends. Bye. Happy Diwali.